We've got another new product here, which is the Z33, Z34 dual caliper bracket studs. These are a direct replacement to the OEM studs. They're just 10mm longer, which accounts for the thickness in the dual caliper bracket itself. They're universal for all Z33 and Z34 chassis dual caliper bracket studs, even other companies or other brands, anything like that. They're just a universal product that replaces the OEM stud. So if you're wondering what I'm talking about, I'll go show you right now. So we have the dual caliper bracket installed here, and as you can see, the studs which pass through do not have full engagement with the nut thread. This is still fine and we've never had an issue with it. However, we are always striving to do better and to perfect our products. So that's where we've updated the studs to have 10mm extra thread to get a full engagement. These studs are a super easy install, regardless of whether you're installing it from scratch or you're installing it to a pre-existing dual caliper bracket. All that needs to be removed is the brakes and the handbrake, and then you can go ahead and replace the studs, which I'll show you now. While I'm pressing the new stud in, I thought I'd show you a comparison between the OEM and our one. And as you can see here, we've increased the length of the knurl so that it cuts a new portion into the bracket and seats itself better and grabs. So as you can see, pretty quick and easy install on the studs, and we now have full thread engagement. Even though we've never had an issue with these studs or these nuts stripping out or causing any sort of problems, we noticed an opportunity for an improvement. We jumped on that, and now as you can see, we have full thread engagement. As a reminder, these will work with any other dual caliper brackets that space out the hub and require extra thread, and they're available on the website now. While I've got you here, we've also managed to do the final prototyping and testing of the Z33, Z34 diff into S14 and R33 subframes, and that has gone all the way through to production, and we have the final version available now on the website.